One of my favorite biohacks, super accessible to everybody, and I'm doing it on the road. This is what I do for red light therapy in van life. I have a little stored area where I keep my red light panel protected and wrapped by my favorite towel. And here's my LightPath LED panel. This is like the biggest size I could get to manage in the van. Of course, they make much larger ones for home use, but this panel is called their tabletop, and it's a vibe. I really love it. So I can't keep it set up the entire time because, as you can imagine, I'm like four-wheeling crazy in van life all over the country. But for here, what I love is this table is so tiny, and actually every day in the morning I get up and I like to do it before 9 a.m. I set up the tabletop like this. I can even set it up if I have some morning work that I have to get done with my computer. I can even set my computer up right next to the red light therapy panel and then utilize it. For me, there's an opportunity to use it on different parts of my body because not right now, but in the morning I'm walking around in just my undies. You want to have like as much skin showing as possible because that's the way it works. So I will set up my computer usually on the left hand side and I'll run my cord all the way to the outlet, and as you can see it like just barely reaches, which is like thank goodness because red light therapy is my jam. So I plug it into my cord, and then normally I'll have like less clothes on than this, but we'll keep this rated PG. And I put on the inverter. You got to put on the inverter in the van to run the electric. I already have it set. It's set at 25 minutes. I usually run it about 15, but I set it on setting 2, which is red light and near infrared light. And then I put the panel on, and it's nice and bright. There we go. And I'll just sit at this table, and maybe I'm working a little, or maybe I'm crossing my legs and doing a little morning meditation, which is much more preferable. And again, I'm like making sure that my hair is out of the way and I'm as naked as possible so that I can take in the benefits of red light therapy, right? Collagen producing, really settling me in for the day so that I can get ready and energized for work. And there's so many other benefits to red light therapy. The list is long because at a cellular level, we are upregulating everything that's happening in our bodies. And we can have this cascade of things that will be more and more beneficial to you to optimize your well-being.